scary time. So you have an Ender 5 Plus and you're having problems with it. If you reach out to Creality, they're probably going to make you jump through hoops. So here's some of the hoops. They want you to upgrade the screen and they want you to upgrade the main board. And to upgrade the screen, take a look at this. So they send you this lovely commands, right? You want to format your memory card, enter, G is the number of the disk, replace that. So mine it was F. Format is usually invalid. Generally, the capacity of the card is about 2 disks. Okay, so realistically, what they're saying here, right? After formatting, save the DWIN set files to the SD card. Insert the SD card slot into the insert the SD to the card slot at the touch screen. Turn it off, and it would be upgraded. So that's your lovely Jinglish. But take a look at this touch screen, which, if you don't know, there's no spot there. Now, the Word document or somewhere else says, do not put it in the main board. Well, if you're not familiar with inside these, you're going to think that that's where you should put it. We'll take a look at this. So take your printer and carefully lower it down. There's what it looks like inside. So technically that's the main board on the side, which means that's your touch screen. And if you look carefully in the touch screen, there's a little micro SD slot. So before you turn it on, put your card in there, then turn the printer on, and you're gonna see those little commands, SD card process, and it did all those downloads and then it popped up with that. So yeah, I'm a literal person, and when I saw the words insert in touchscreen, I thought to myself, the fact that there's no slot there and that was closest to it, I thought that still didn't seem right. So yeah, insert in touchscreen meant take the bottom of the printer off carefully. Don't snag that one. Hey, look who's that. Don't snag that wire, so make sure you disconnect that and then insert it in that guy. Then turn yourself on. Turn yourself on. All right, have a good one.